Hi Pooja,
Hello, ma'am.
this is Aruna from Quality Department. First of all, congrats for your placements.
Thank
Okay,
you.
just a feedback interview. We'll start up.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, can you introduce about yourself, Pooja?
Yeah. I'm Pooja. I'm from Udupi. I completed my BE in Civil Engineering from NMAM Nitte Karkala in the year 2021. And now I am taking the training in CMTI, Bangalore.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. How did you get to know CMTI, Pooja?
I got to know about this through YouTube, like through a channel. I got to know about CMTI.
Okay, how was the courses and all? I heard that you took the courses in online. How what that benefits you to get the placements and all through CMTI?
Yes, ma'am. Online courses were very good. Like trainers were helpful. Like they are all experienced trainers, and they explain in a very good manner, and they solve our doubts in the classes. So all went well, ma'am.
Okay. Then what about the courses syllabus content? What are the like subjects? How was that?
Yeah, the subjects related to civil engineering, I mean, the construction trainings will be given, like related to this one, softwares like SketchUp, AutoCAD, those things, and also related to preparing the bar bending schedule and BOQs, and also about the interior designing. So everything they teach us.
Okay. Then what about the trainers and all? How was their approach to you?
Yes, ma'am. Trainers were very good. Like, if we have any doubts, we can clarify with them, and yeah, they were supportive to us.
Okay, how was the interview process and all? How did you crack the interview?
Interview process was good, ma'am. It was online for me, and I got placed in that company also. It was good. It was like basically technical things they have asked us, so it was good, ma'am.
Okay. Then how was CMTI app help you?
App is also very informative, like all the courses, all the recorded videos you'll get after the classes, and also about I referred it for cracking the interview also. Everything was good about the app also, ma'am.
Okay, Pooja. Then what about the staffs of CMTI to get placements and about the class coordinating? How was that? How would they?
Yeah, when I came to know about CMTI through YouTube, I just contacted them, the staffs of CMTI, and they guided me towards how the procedure will be, and how the trainings will be. There are different kinds, like offline, online. Anything is there we can prefer. So they guide us through in a very good manner. And Meenu ma'am, Aruna ma'am, and Ashok sir also helped me a lot through this, ma'am. It was very good.
Okay. Then what do you want to say to your friends and juniors about CMTI?
Like CMTI is the like best platform for fresher civil engineers, and they must make use of it. This is the best thing,
Okay,
and
yeah, that
also
was
you'll
good.
get the practical knowledge also. Yeah,
Yeah, like it is different.
yeah, it's different. Yeah,
Yeah, that was a good feedback, Pooja.
thank you,
And
ma'am.
thanks for your time.
Yeah,
And once again, congrats for your placement and all the
thank you, ma'am.
best for your future, Pooja. Thank you.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you, thank you. Yeah.